Now I see there's things in my way, pushing to the climax or until my soul decays. Is the roadway safe? God sees up in his veins. Catch a simple prayer just to see another day. And I'm thankful that I get to see this world, even if the people shit. Global human hate, it is something I would rid. It's my way that I chose, it's my way down the road that I go, so I go. And it's up complying with the gravity I feel. Regiment expanding, going harder than some steel. How the fuck you feel, knowing I'ma get that deal? But I'm younger, so I'll stop. Yeah, I'm straight for peace, but I never trust a cop. Riding for my brothers, growing bigger like a crop. How you vibing? Rugged about the shit, but he winning, I ain't lying. On that seat at A, knowing it's my way. Universe complying with my city and my state. Now I'm feeling great.